Today we are going to learn about vague nouns. By definition, they are words that are not clear enough for identification. Those three are the most commonly used vague nouns. They are not specific to mention any details.
Stuff and thing are words that will make readers guess what is the exact thing the author is trying to talk about. People, the public, and others cannot specify which people the statement impacts.
Problem is very general to describe what problem the author is trying to tell.
When using those words, the reader is better to specify what they are trying to tell, because not everything can be generated into the vague nouns.
Other than vague nouns, adjectives and pronouns can also be vague.
Good and bad are words that only tell a general idea, but are hard to interpret the exact feelings. Great, amazing and wonderful often lack intensity. They are too general to identify why such mood exists. Many is a word that makes readers hard to picture the amount the author describes.
Similar to vague adjectives and vague nouns, vague pronouns also bring unclear information to the readers.
She and he are words that could not define who exactly is the character the author tries to talk about.
This is usually used as a referenceable word, but not defining what the reference is can be very confusing.